So we're outside Cavan General Hospital here, and this is a case study of a system that involves 6 5-band StellaOffice repeaters. Before we came here, we went to the online maps, which shows us exactly where the base stations are around this building. So beforehand, we have some knowledge about the existing situation here and where the base stations are.
People coming to us with stuff.
Indoor cable coming through here. On this repeater we've used 3 of the ports. 4th port is a spare port for future expansion. Each of these 3 ports comes down to 2-way splitters. And we've got 2 antennas here, 2 and 2 antennas here. And that's the installation.
So we're doing the indoor antenna test, whereby we go around with the spectrum analyzer, the Yagi antenna. We put the Yagi antenna up against the indoor antennas. I'm seeing about minus 35, minus 40 dBm there.
That's the repeaters on at the moment, right?
It's on at the moment, yeah.
Okay.
And we're going to go around to all the indoor antennas and do this check to make sure we have signal right up to the indoor antenna there.
Now, out of interest, let's just turn the repeater off.
Can you do that? Perfect.
And we're going to see what that looks like.
There's the repeater off. And Declan, if you can put it back on again there. Yeah, put it back on again there. You'll see this, the repeater starting up here now. Here it comes, and up it comes, soft start, up to its maximum gain.
Perfect.
So that's it.